Hi, uh, our bot is ready. So first of all, we need to install the Python 3.10 or 3.11 version. So you can install by downloading Python download from here. You can download and install the Python. Latest version is 3.11. So after installing the Python, uh, we need to install the required libraries. You can open the terminal, or if you are using Windows, then we need to open the command prompt. You can type cmd here like this in Windows and press enter. It will open the command prompt in this folder. So, af- so after opening the command prompt or terminal in this Windows, the path is this window. We need to install the required libraries. Pip install or requirements.txt. This is a complete command. We need to run this command. Okay, our libraries has been installed. So now we'll open set the or filters and inputs. You can open the .env file in any text editor. If you are using Windows, then you can open it by with a notepad. So, or then we will set the our username and password. Then here, uh, these are the parameter or filters. So we can set the grade of NFT excellent, uh, mint, etc. You can check the grade in a website. If you don't want to set the grade, then leave it empty like this. So if the value of if the NFT is boxed or not, so if you set it 1, then it will check the boxed. If it is not, you do not want the boxed NFTs, then set it to 0. 1 mean yes or 0 mean no. So if you want to test the application, so we need to set 1. Testing mean it will not purchase, it will just click on buy now button and then return to its main page. So for testing, you can set it to 1. After testing, you can set it to 0. After setting 0, it will now will purchase the NFT. So here you can set the price. Now I have currently set the $5. So it will purchase up to $5. Or here you can set the list of the sellers. Like if you want to purchase only from specific seller, then you can write its name. It should be the web name which showing in web. So Let's check my. Yeah, okay. Let me show you. Okay, here's the NFT. So if you want to purchase specific NFT, then you can write the name like Kiraz Niko Beni. So otherwise, you just need to leave it empty uh, like this. Okay, slash hide or show browser. After first login, if you want to hide the browser, so can only console will run and browser will not show. It will run at backend. So here the our input and filters. Now let's test the software or bot. Okay, if you are using Windows, then you need to just double click the main.py file. If you are using other operating system like Linux, then we need to run the Python main.py. So the path should be the folder in which the bot files are placed. So we run the Python main.py file. Okay, the code has been sent. We will copy the code and paste here and continue. Now it will save the session. Next time it will not ask for the login or uh, you can say never will never ask for code and login. So now it will check for the listing and here it find the listing with 2.25 and now it will process it by clicking buy now button. It will check the default payment method. If you have set a credit card, then it will process the credit card. If you have set other another method, payment method, by default set as default, then it will click that use that method. So it in short, it will only pick the default payment method. Like this, it will purchase all the NFTs which meets our criteria. Here is purchasing, but unfortunately, I my card is not working, so I can't purchase. It is fake card, so it will finally click the placement button. Okay, then after purchasing, it will keep checking for the next entries which meet our criteria. Thank you very much. If you have any question or have any issue for deploying the bot in your system, then you can contact me anytime. I I will install by accessing a remote access. So here I have set the $5. So it will purchase all the NFTs meeting our $5 criteria. If I set the input as boxed, I will set it to 1 and want to filter the again the grade, then it will uh, purchase with that filter. Thank you very much.